The Sneezing Elephant. One sunny morning in the jungle, Ellie the elephant woke up with a tickle in her trunk. Achoo! She sneezed and whoosh! Her sneeze blew away a monkey's banana, a zebra's hat, and even a crocodile's toothbrush. Don't ask why the crocodile had one. The animals chased their things, shouting, "Ellie, stop sneezing!" But Ellie couldn't help it. Achoo, achoo, achoo. Soon, the jungle looked like a windy washing machine, bananas, hats, and toothbrushes flying everywhere. Finally, Ellie's friend, Polly the parrot, gave her a big flower to smell. Ellie sniffed, and the tickle stopped. Everyone cheered until Ellie whispered, "Uh-oh, achoo." And this time, Polly's feathers flew everywhere. Ah,